let's take a look at an example of how to draw an angle of 300 degrees in standard position. So the first step is always start with the initial side on the positive x-axis. Okay, so this is on the positive side of the x-axis. And this will be labeled the initial side, okay? Initial. Then what we're going to do is now we have to rotate counterclockwise 300 degrees, okay, around from the initial side, okay? We got to move in a counterclockwise direction. So if you know this forms a 90-degree angle, and then this also forms a 90-degree angle, that means the total angle in here would be 180 degrees, right? Does that make sense? And then if I were to keep rotating now from this point, I know this is another 90-degree angle down there. So that would bring me now down to 270 degrees, right? So this would be 90. This would be 90 degrees. This would be 180. 270 is down here. A full then rotation would have brought me back 360 degrees, right? 360 degrees. But we know that we only want to stop this at 300. So once we get to now 270 degrees, we essentially have to go another 30 because the total angle here is 300. So what I just wrote now is I wrote now down the terminal side. This is known as the terminal side. Terminal side. And now the angle between the initial side and rotating in a counterclockwise direction all the way to the terminal side is then that indicated angle of 300 degrees. Guys, hope that helped. If it did, help us out and subscribe, tell your friends, and like if you can. Thank you so much.